Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dental Babe Ray, and I'm back with another wig review for Beauty Forever Hair. Beauty Forever Hair sent me this gorgeous Waterwave unit. She is a 13x6 Frontal. She comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached for us. She's 24 inches of lusciousness, so let's try this beauty on. Look how beautiful these curls are. I love Waterwave, so I'm always excited to do a Waterwave unit. I just feel like it looks really good with me. I love how it gets when it gets wet. I love when it's dry. This wig is gorgeous. With this lace, it's already giving. You can clack my tea, you can see the lace. So I do need to tint this lace and then I'll come back on. All right, so I'm back from tinting my lace. Look how much more natural this wig looks. I absolutely love when it can give a natural look, so I needed to tint it so that it wasn't so blatantly obvious. So now we're going to go and get these curls all nice and juicy, and I'll show you exactly what I use. So I ran out of mousse, but I always add this to my spray bottle to get my curls nice and juicy. And this helps your curls not get hard with that like scrunch and crunch. It's nice and soft. Look how beautiful they are. They're more defined. This is the best product if you want soft, juicy curls to your Waterwave unit. This wig is absolutely beautiful. The curls came out beautifully. Look how juicy they are. So beautiful, so luscious, super soft, very minimal shedding. I absolutely love this unit. Nothing's better than having a frontal that you can still wear glueless. Look at this, completely glueless, and she is a 13x6 Frontal. If you're looking for your ideal curly unit to wear in the spring, this is the wig for you. She's so beautiful. You don't need much just to get these curls. You can literally take her out the package and throw her on and go. All she needed was a little lace tint and she was ready to go. This is definitely a wig that you would love. You better go out and get you one. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed.